Boom shakalaka, urgent breaking price alert for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randy here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at an urgent breaking price alert for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and for altcoins. Before we get into it, guys, like the video, join us on Twitter at @CryptoLove, and subscribe to the OG Bitcoin and Crypto YouTube channel, making daily videos since 2017. That's a really long time. Now today, Fear and Greed Index, 54 neutral, down from yesterday's 56 greed. We just touched greed back to neutral. The overall market sideways today, Bitcoin 63,965, Ethereum 2761, and BNB at 573. Now, Bitcoin finding resistance around the 100 and 200-day moving averages, the green and the orange line. The blue line here, 21 SMA, starting to tilt back up, or excuse me, that's 21 EMA. And the last couple times that the 21 EMA broke above the 100-day moving average, let's take a look. Time number one, back here when Bitcoin went from $27,000 to $72,000. Time number two, when Bitcoin went from $18,000 to $31,000. So keep an eye on this 21 SMA breaking through the green line right there, the 200-day moving average. Right now, though, based on the MVRV pricing bands, one of the most significant resistance levels for Bitcoin to clear is the $67,300 range. Climbing past this hurdle could put Bitcoin to the next one, roughly around $80,000. That would be a new all-time high for Bitcoin. We have this signal right here that the last two times it happened, parabolic price movement happened for Bitcoin. This was a new all-time high in the global M2 money supply, breaking new all-time highs, suggesting, hey, we could be in for a parabolic move for Bitcoin. The recent Japan stock market crash and sideways kind of downward megaphone formation right here, very similar to what happened around COVID 2020. Very similar formation, very steep V-shaped recovery. Could we be in for what came to occur after that, where Bitcoin went from $3,000, $20,000? Well, geez, I certainly hope so. Or if we take a look, COVID compared with just recently, again, another parabola, taking a look, could put Bitcoin in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. So things could look very, very exciting for Bitcoin in the near future. Based on the GMI Bitcoin cycle top finder, we're not even close. This just looks like we hit a mid-cycle top like we saw in summer 2019, and there's a lot higher to go before we start seeing a top for Bitcoin. But we're having a few signals that are indicating massive move on the horizon. The last time that the Bollinger Band Width Profile signaled multiple blue bars on the 2-week chart back here saw a 200% upward move for Bitcoin. And this is only the second time we've seen this in Bitcoin's history, meaning likely a big move is on the horizon. 200%, well, geez, that could be in the hundreds of thousands of dollars for Bitcoin. This chart right here, every time Bitcoin touched this trend line, which is the Bitcoin VIX trend line, we saw a new all-time high. Every single time, new all-time high. We touched it once again with the most recent crash. That would mean we're in for yet another all-time high, because this chart, OBV breakout, the on-balance volume has shown a breakout against the March 2020 high. While the price is not yet at that previous all-time high, the on-balance volume is making this probably a more critical breakout than the actual price breakout that we saw. The bullish momentum has been built up. Next breakout will be in Bitcoin. Watch out. It could be coming very, very soon. And based on like the log Bollinger Band Width monthly chart, we're still very, very early in terms of similar to September 2016, before we went for a whole nother year for a massive parabolic rally. Taking a look where we could end up, well, based on these charts right here, log decays, next top around $270,000, almost a quarter to a third of $1 million per Bitcoin this cycle, which is mind-blowing. And Ethereum is on the way as well. Ethereum repeats the last moves. Retest completed, upcoming rally will send ETH to $15,000. You can see trendline resistance right here, retesting it like we did similar to here, and then heading back up to that trend line, roughly around $15,000 for Ethereum. And great news for altcoins and most likely meme coins. Dogecoin loading up for rally phase 3. Every time breaking through the downtrend, finding support on there, then going up an order of magnitude has happened time and time again. This is time number 3, locked, loaded, and ready for an absolutely massive alt season. So that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video. YouTube believes you will really enjoy that video right there. So go check it out. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.